Welcome to another edition of Data Spaces Generative AI Edition. My name's Gareth. Today I'm excited to share some new updates to Prototypr.ai, which enables users to describe and build a first draft of an entire web page with only one prompt. This update also includes cool new natural language editing functionality, plus a ChatGPT integration, which I'll touch on later. All right, so let's get started by trying to say something. So we'll open up this panel, and underneath this generate button, you'll see some handy prompt examples, which will allow you to build different types of web pages that you may want to generate. So I'm going to generate a newsletter sign-up page. So this should be fun. So let's create a lead gen page that features a hero section talking about signing up for a newsletter covering generative AI trends. Include a paragraph talking about staying ahead of the curve with generative AI, a short form with contact details, and a footer. And we'll hit generate. Unlock the power of generative AI for your business. Sign up for newsletter. Okay, this is looking great. It's still loading. Stay ahead of the curve with generative AI. Take the first step towards staying ahead of the game by signing up for our generative AI trends newsletter. Okay, this is great. This is just a first draft, so this is good. You can see here's the form that it just generated. Perfect. Probably a couple things here I'd like to edit out. And we have our footer. Okay, so this is looking really good. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to edit this form right here. And you'll notice at the top of the screen, you'll see an embed form tab. You can actually click on that and you could add or drop in an iframe for maybe say SendGrid and apply that. But I'm going to use the code that it generated and I'm going to edit this form just using natural language. So I'm going to say remove the phone number and the option to sign up for newsletter. All right, we'll hit generate. Perfect. This looks great. So it's removed exactly what I've asked it to remove. Now I'm going to apply those changes. And there you go. You can see that this has been applied. Perfect. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this footer here. I'm not going to do the same thing, but I'm going to actually say I have some saved footers that I want to show you. So I have a Prototypr.ai footer that I'm working on. It gives you a little preview snippet here. I'm going to send this footer to editing. You can actually do the same sort of thing as what you saw in the form. And you can see I have made some changes. It now says made in Toronto, and I've included some updated products that are part of Prototypr.ai. Okay, so let's just apply those changes, and there you go. You can see our updates have been implemented. This is perfect. Okay, so one other thing that I would like to include in a web page like this is maybe adding some social proof. So let's do that by opening up our components menu, and we'll just add this clients component. And you can see here it's added it to the bottom of the page, and that's probably not exactly where we want to put it because it's underneath the footer and probably no one will see it down there. So we can click on this three-dot menu over here, and we'll click on edit page. And what this does, it brings up a page sections editing feature, where we can see what kind of sections we have on our page. So I'm going to move this client section in between the paragraph and the form. So say move clients section between paragraph and form. Okay. So it's going to update. Okay, perfect. You can see that it's moved it between the clients and the client section has been moved between the paragraph and form. We'll apply to see just to confirm. So we're back here, stay ahead of the curve. There's our paragraph. There's our client section now. This is awesome. Other things you can kind of do here is you can come in, you can edit the image, you can upload an image if you have premium membership. We can also edit this right here. We could say something like companies who love our newsletter. Okay, that looks good. Okay, we'll apply that change. And so this is starting to look really good. And one other thing that we have that I said I was going to touch on earlier is a ChatGPT integration. So we can open that up and we can say, how can you help me? And we'll chat, see what it says. All right, perfect. That's the Don Draper of digital marketing advertising assistants. Wow, this is pretty amazing. He helps with storytelling, SEO, social media, landing page optimization, and testing and learning. So this is a great assistant to actually have. I've been using it quite a bit, and it's pretty amazing. So I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna close that, and so that's our web page in a nutshell. I can download this page. So we open up that, hit generate, prototype's ready to download, export, open, and there we go. Here's our web page that we created and have quickly edited. You can see all the changes that we've made. So you could send this page to a copy editor to help with generating some copy or updating that copy. You could send it to a designer, maybe to update some of the design, the look and feel. So this is the demo. So thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.